a plate cover. So that's the visor and plate cover. Yeah. So just put on the visors. Not too bad, to be honest. Today we're gonna do a strut replacement. So I went to gonna be doing a strut or the whole suspension for the left or the driver's side. I went to a junkyard today, and I got this from the junkyard. It was like $33, so it wasn't that bad, right? So instead of me buying a new one's like $100. I think for two set of front and right, that'd be like $300 for a brand new. But you know, I decided to go the used one so I can, like, you know, save money. So basically, starting off is that's my jack. You wanna take off, you wanna loose the bolt, the lug nut bolts, and then after that jack it up, and pretty much it, you know. Socket, they just loosen if you wanna jack it up. Case feels. So wheels came off, jack safety, wheels, got my tools, I got my replacement struts. So how are we gonna remove the, see how badly the struts are? So they're probably blown right now, so they make a lot of noise when I drive it. So how do you take it off? You just two bolts right here, one bolt, another one right here, and also the brake line. I think that's the 12 big one like this. Should be two of them. The brake line and the clip, and 3 bolts in here. So 1, 2, 3. So I already moved 14. So the old one came off. I forgot. I think what I did is I have to jack both of the fronts so it loosens the axle. So if it's not, it's gonna be hard to take it off. So you better jack it up 2 fronts. It's better, way easier for me. And I kind of messed it up, but all good. That's the old one. It's fucked up, look. So basically, after you done that, you basically just redo the same way how you take it out, right? And that's the new one. Bolt in, everything, brake line, clip, and this is the old one right now. Basically, you see, that's the old one. New one in, basically. It's pretty easy. Not even an hour. Do it and put it back the wheels now.